Next, we are going to study about a garment factory at Delhi. There are so many small garment factories in Delhi which run on the basis of the orders that they get from other countries like US and Europe. Here we are talking of a shirt manufacturing unit in Delhi who gets order from Europe and US and tries to make profit by doing things like putting up less workers, that is hiring less workers, giving them less wages, increasing their working hours, not giving them good working conditions, for the simple reason that the trader or the merchant from the US and Europe who have many retail outlets, they put in very low price and demand high standard quality, and they also want the production to reach timely. This means there is lot of pressure on the owner of the garment export unit who has to make profit to survive, and thus he squeezes the poor workers who have to work day and night at low price to see that the garment factory keeps running. And it is of course because they do not have other means to survive. They have to work in the factory to make their both ends meet. Well, even the owner is at the mercy of these European and American traders who are squeezing him also because they are demanding everything best except not giving him the best price. But he also has to accept this because he has to keep his unit running. So it's like a vicious circle wherein everybody has got trapped and they are working for less money and by giving the best services.